Greetings of the day. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Rapid MCQ. Today our topic of discussion is how to identify the significant figures in a given numerical values. For this certain rules are follows. Let us discuss that rules. The first rule is all the non-zero digits, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are considered as significant figures. So in the first example there are three non-zero digits. All these are significant figures. So overall this numerical value is having the three significant figure. In the next example, the digits given are 5, 1, 7, 5, 9. All these are non-zero digits. So all these are the significant figure. Overall, in this numerical value, there are 5 significant figures. Next rule is 0 between non-zero digits are also considered as significant. For example, in this case 304, 0 is written in between the two non-zero digits, so it is considered as significant. Overall in this example there are three significant figures. In the next example both these zeros are in between the non-zero digits, so both these zeros are considered as significant. So overall in this example there are 5 significant figures. Next rule is 0 preceding the first non-zero digits are not significant. It means firstly what are preceding 0. This one is your first non-zero digits. So whatever zeros written before the first non-zero digits, these are considered as preceding 0. All these preceding zeros are not significant, so one need not to count these zeros. So start counting from the first non-zero digit. So overall in this example there are only two non-zero digits, so overall there are two significant figures. In the next example, this 0.000, all these are the preceding zeros which are written before the first non-zero digit. So these four zeros are not significant. So significant figures are only these two non-zero digits. So overall in this example there are two significant figures. Next rule is trailing zeros in a whole number with decimal are significant. Trailing zero means the zero that are written after the last non-zero digit. Here 0.59, 599 is the last non-zero digit. So whatever zeros are written after the last non-zero digit, these are referred as trailing zero. Trailing zeros are considered as significant. So first this one is preceding 0, ignore this 0. This one is used only to represent the position of the decimal. Next, these 59 non-zero digit, 0 is the trailing 0. So this one is considered as significant figure. Overall in this example there are three significant figures. In the next example 0.37800, these zeros which are written after the 8, these are trailing 0, these are significant, whereas 0 written in the beginning is the preceding 0, it is insignificant figure. So counting start from 37800. So overall in this example there are 5 significant figures. So by mistake here 2 is written, so correct it. There are overall 5 significant figures. Next rule is trailing 0 in a whole number without decimal may or may not be significant. Again trailing zeros are 0 that are written after the last non-zero digits without decimal. These may or may not be significant because it depends on how this figure is represented in terms of decimal or exponential term. If it is written as 2.9 into 10 raised to power 2. Herever whatever is written in the exponential term, that is not considered as a significant. Only two digits are representing this figure 2.9. So here overall significant figures are 2. Whereas if it is written as 2.90 into 10 raised to power 2, here 2.90 written after non-zero digit is a trailing zero, so it is considered as a significant figure. So overall in this case 2.90, it is having the 3 significant figure. Now if you compare both these values, one can say that it represents, second one represent the more accuracy in the measurement, because it is giving you the answer after 2 decimal points. So in such a case, when trailing zeros are written in a whole number without decimals, these may or may not be significant. It will depend on how this figure is represented in terms of decimal or in terms of exponential terms. So if 0 is written there, then it is considered as trailing zero. If it is not written, then we can ignore it. So depending on this one, in this example, there may be 2 or 3 significant figures. Next rule, the exact number such as 3 dozen. 3 represent the quantity, dozen is the unit. 3 represent the quantity. So whatever these figures having the infinite number of significant figures, because if you will write at 3.0, it also means as 3 dozen. If you will write at 3.0000 dozen, it also means their value is only 3 dozen. 3 dozens means 1 dozen having 12 number, 3 means 36 overall answer. Okay, so overall 3 dozen, whatever, whenever the value given is in number, then after that unit is written, that means it is having the infinite number of significant figures. Next is exponential terms. Terms that is written as a 10 raised to power some power, that are not considered as a significant figure, so no need to count these one. So overall, all the rules that we have discussed are written here in a sequence. You can take the screenshot of this slide to make your quick notes. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.